Our story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, third row seating, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2016 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power lift gate, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.